My name is Nick Minar, and I am the Fabrication and Welding Production Supervisor at Chief Agri in Kearney, Nebraska, and I've been here since 2012. I lead a group of people to satisfy our internal customers and our end users, whether it's welding or fabrication of component parts to go to weld, assembly, shipping, packaging. On a daily basis, I am managing our CNC lasers, punches, brake presses, welders, and also paint. I like working at Chief because of the people. I'm always interested in what other people are up to, how to help them succeed, and how we achieve our goals together. One thing I love about working at Chief is that we provide grain storage and handling solutions worldwide. Whether it's here in the United States or overseas, we have a product that is needed all around the world. I really focus on building strong relationships with my colleagues and my team. That way we can achieve the goal of Chief Agri and satisfying our customers and the end users to build those long-lasting relationships. My job is really satisfying because I get to work with so many different people every day, whether it's a colleague or one of my team members. We're always trying to come up with solutions for any situation, whether it's making a process better for everybody or becoming more efficient in a certain process. We all work hard to make everybody's job easier. A lot of people use the word family when you describe the culture here at Chief. We all have each other's backs. We all communicate to what is needed on a daily basis or hourly basis, and that really helps us succeed. If somebody were to ask me about an opportunity at Chief, I would tell them to go for it. They would be a resource to the team to continue providing solutions around the world. I always say I'm just a welder, but now it's turned into much more of that, and Chief has given me those opportunities. Another reason why I love working at Chief is the safety culture. Each and every team member takes a lot of pride in the safety of not only themselves but their team members. It's something that we continue to improve on each and every day, and it's a big focus within our company.